Good morning, good afternoon, happy Friday, February 19th. We're going to get started today with a few deals from this weekend, and wow, holy cow, I hope those of you who are affected by the winter storm that came through the south, uh, a lot of people in Texas, but outside of Texas as well, hope everyone's doing okay. So let's go through some deals that I found today. Of course, we start with rnl.com. They have a UV5R 7-watt version with the extended battery for $34.95. So that's a really good deal. If you've been thinking about getting into ham radio, wanting to buy your first HT, this is one that we often recommend to people starting out, and it's a good starting point. It's like a springboard into a better radio that you might buy down the road once you get more used to it. Those extended batteries like is pictured here, last a long time. I've got one or two of those on my B-Tech radios, and they really do enable the life of the radio to stay on a lot longer between charges. So so for $35 with all that, a little bit higher power on the 7-watt and the extra battery, that's a good price. Free shipping on that as well. He's still got the Rig Expert A35 Zoom for $199, which is still a very good price. Rig Expert is probably one of the top antenna analyzers out there today, and they do antenna analyzer models for commercial areas outside of ham radio, so they're not just an amateur radio supplier. They do commercial antennas and public safety antennas and whatnot, so they are top of the game in that world. LDG is one of the best tuners in ham radio today. And 600-watt Auto Tuner Pro for $309. You can get those for various radios, ICOM, Yaesu, etc. Like that. So rnl.com, usually the first place I start. Once again, these daily specials they change every day. This is Friday, February 19th. If you're watching this video on the replay afterwards, then just refresh the page and see what else is out there. Early this morning, got this new email from Richard at Main Trading Company. He sends these about, I don't know, once a week, maybe a little bit more often than that. This weekend is almost here, he says. We are thawing out here. It is supposed to get above freezing, and hopefully the snow will melt soon. We'll be open in Paris and Greenwood this weekend. Get out and come see us. So, hopefully everybody out there in Paris is doing well. Tactical backpacks with an integrated 6,000 milliamp hour power bank and USB are back in stock. An awesome product. Only able to get 100. Get it now for $24.99. Wonder what that looks like. If he's got any more pictures of it. Yeah, there we go. Kind of a neat thing. Got a built-in charger to the backpack. So carry a phone charger around with you wherever you go. This is a neat little weather radio for only $16. This is this KA900 for a $100 crank radio. These are these Kato brand radios. They're receivers only. They are a good brand, and they do solar crank wind up to recharge the battery, so they work great in an emergency situation and a power grid down situation. Would have been really nice to have one of these this weekend, or this last few days here in Galveston where I'm at, and suffering through the power outages that we've had. I'm going to be doing a live stream on Sunday to talk more about that. But these are great. This Kato brand is one of the better brands for emergency weather radios and receivers and whatnot. So he's got a few of those in stock for $100 right now. This Eton is another brand. This one's obviously much more expensive. It's larger. It's got more options to it. It receives single sideband, so you can listen to the amateur radio bands. $3.99 for that one. It's a wireless color weather station, hand warmers. Those are good to have in the deer stand during hunting season. I've been known to do that. So, still got some Radcom 500-watt full-length ham sticks made in the USA. That's a video idea right there. Might pick some of those up myself. So, this is a link to his mailer he sent out early this morning. I will have this link in the description below along with everything else. Another place I've talked about previously in the past is AmericanRadioSupply.com. someone posted in one of the Discord groups I was in this week, and he asked, where can I get connectors that is not on Amazon? And I said, go here. Go to AmericanRadioSupply.com. They have an extensive line of connectors, adapters, plugs, dummy loads, all kinds of good stuff. So you can get $10 off with a $25 or more purchase with the coupon code 496156, and it expires in 3 days on February 22nd. This is my discount code that they send me. I don't think it's unique to me, really. I think they send it to everybody on their mailing list, but this is the one on the mailing list today. So go use that code, get yourself some connectors and adapters if you're interested in that sort of thing. As I mentioned a couple weeks ago, coming up in just about 3 or 4 weeks now, on March 12th, is the QSO Today Virtual Ham Expo. The YouTubers Bunch will have a booth at the expo again this year, similar to what we did last year, and we will be kicking off the event with a happy hour live stream on Friday evening at 8 p.m. Central Time, which is 2 a.m. Saturday morning UTC, and it'll be streamed and broadcast, for lack of a better word, through a new option they have called Podcasters Pavilion. They have a new thing on the expo this year, Podcasters Pavilion. Many podcasters and video podcasters will have sessions set up inside of the event and will be able to speak via video directly to the audience. They'll be able to live stream it, be able to do lots of other things as well. So it's one of the few new things they've added to the expo event this year to upgrade it from last year's event. So I'm happy to be one of the first ones kicking off Friday evening in the Podcasters Pavilion, live streamed on YouTube for our monthly ham radio happy hour. So join us there today. Pick up your tickets today as well. You can register here. I believe the tickets are about $10 a pop. And you can get your ticket to the online expo. Yeah, there we go. $10 each. Online expo, 3-day event, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It was a fun time last year. Looking forward to it again this year. Moving over here to a new site. This is K9JEB.com. Kilo 9 Juliet Echo Bravo.com. I actually ordered 1 or 2 of these kits yesterday. We're going to be doing some builds of these kits on Kyle's channel, AA0Z. He tries to do like a monthly or maybe a every other month build party. He'll invite several other people onto his channel and stream it, and we'll do a Zoom session, and we'll all build a kit together, and he will live stream that. It's a fun time. So this is going to be our next project upcoming. He's got several kits that you can build power poles onto. This one's kind of cool. It fits on top of a battery. It's a biowinnel style battery or lead acid style battery, and it just fits on top of the battery with the 2 prongs that come out the top of the battery. I'm going to be testing that one out myself. So, a lot of cool kits here to build for various things. Power pole connections, distribution blocks. This one right here has 3 USB ports built into it. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power pole connections and 3 USB ports. I think that's a 30 amp max kit there. But he does have February sale, 8% off now through February 24th, which is 5 days from now. So there you go. This is a new website. I just discovered them the other night. Kyle sent me the link, or he sent the link out to several people, and I was included in that. And he said, this is going to be one of our next projects. Go ahead and order it, and we're going to be doing that on March 9th on his channel. So I ordered last night. Should be getting a couple of these kits in, and I thought, you know what, that's kind of a cool thing to share with the Friday shopping folks, because these are really look like they'd be fun to build and look like they'd be quite useful after you build them. So K9JEB.com for that. Again, that link will be in the description below. Bridgecom's doing another giveaway. They're calling it the 73 Ham Radio Giveaway. I've already entered 77 entries. I think they announced this a couple days ago. I just entered this morning. They're going to be giving away a D578 UV3 Pro, a desktop power supply, Anytone tri-band antenna, Anytone D878 HT, dual band DMR HT. Their Bridgecom University package, which includes over 100 videos of how-tos with the Anytone radios and with DMR in general. They've got the Zygu G90, the G90 antenna, an H1 cooling rack, a dual band mag mount antenna, a BCS 200 water-resistant speaker mic, and the Anytone 868878 battery plus belt clip. So an extra battery and belt clip. Shipping included. Total value of $1,968.11. Must have a valid amateur radio call sign to enter, and you can enter with all these ways down here. I will be sharing this link, which gets me an extra 10 points in the giveaway. And as I've said in many times past, with giveaways I've entered on this shopping video, but never won. If I do end up winning one of these things, I'm just going to do a re-giveaway on my channel, probably bring Bridgecom on to talk about it, promote their channel, and just let everyone know. So I will. This is all equipment that I already have of my own. All of this list right here. So no reason for me to keep it, but I do like doing giveaways on my channel, and I hope that you guys will go sign up on this link that I share, and I hope one of you win it. So we just bypass my channel completely, let one of you guys win it. Moving over to here to my shop.hamradio2.com. I mentioned this last week, and I pointed everyone to the new shipment of Edfong antennas that was coming in. Those were supposed to arrive on Monday. They did not get here until yesterday due to all the winter storm stuff. But wow, you guys cleaned me out on these GMRS antennas. These GMRS versions are now sold out. I've got all the orders. I'm processing them as I can. Going to be shipping out a bunch of those today and yesterday and today, actually. So, but we still got the dual band PVC, dual band rolled up, and 220 megahertz version. And I have contacted Dr. Fong and ordered more GMRS. I wasn't really sure how well those would sell, but so I only ordered a small quantity of them, but they moved out really quickly. And I kept one of these for myself because I'm going to be doing a video on one upcoming. You're going to see some more GMRS videos on this channel about radios, this antenna, using repeaters, that kind of stuff. So it should be a fun time. Shop.hamradio2.com. We've also got plenty of these hoodies left in sizes large, extra large, and double extra large. These are here now, and once they're sold out, they won't be replenished until next winter. And then I've got a bunch of gear from YouTubers Bunch, DX Commander, K6UDA, K6ARK, Smokin' Ape, and several other guys to order shirts for here. All of the proceeds with other YouTubers are shared with them directly, so it helps to support this website and their YouTube channel both. So shop.hamradio2.com for that. Lastly, tonight is the monthly trivia night on Kyle's channel. He's been doing this for a few months now. Usually on a Friday night, I think it's the third Friday of the month, he'll get a group of people together on Zoom, and then they'll go through and just do ham radio related trivia questions. It's just kind of a fun time to hang out and do stuff online. He does not have the pre-planned link posted for the live stream tonight, but it will be live streamed, and I'll share this link to his channel. So if you just go click on his channel tonight, it should have the link here at the top of the home page, or maybe at the top of the videos page, whichever. But subscribe to Kyle if you're not subscribed already. Get notifications for when he goes live, and he's got some really cool build videos out there. That's our dummy load build we did last time. I was on that video. Morcerino build, this right here. I was on this video as well. So got the Morcerino sitting in the shack right now. But yeah, tonight, I think I don't remember if it's 7 or 8 p.m. Central Time tonight, we'll be on this trivia live stream for ham radio questions and trivia. So 73, thank you for being here today. I hope everyone is staying warm in this winter storm that's coming through. And hope to see you on the trivia tonight. Everyone have a good weekend and ham harder.